I didn't bring any books. I didn't know that was done. But I'll read some from my last book, The Camel's Pedestal. And
But you can buy them on Amazon.
you can get them on Amazon, etc. I read The Enigma of Being Jewish. And of course, not the poem doesn't necessarily refer to being Jewish, but that's the title that you'll see there are some references. One throws one's trembling body forward. Using gestures, one inscribes what one is saying. Gender neutral, one is free to speak the unspeakable. One doesn't speak. Secretly, deep down inside, one finds the courage to plunge into the arena of contradiction, where pleasure and reality embrace. One joins the fight against injustice and poverty as one must. We count as far as we can count, yearning for infinity, eternity. We deliver the mail, grow orchids, grow weary, grow old, keep track of history, consider space-time to be a substance rather than a direction. We contemplate time reversal invariants, such as the shattered glass cinematically reassembling itself, landing on the table intact, the impossibility of which is somehow related to thermodynamics. We find things to say, we clarify, codify, spotify, we establish a discourse, we break up, we destroy, we foresee the unforeseeable, we come to our senses. We are amazed, we search for knowledge, we prolong, we hang on to pleasures, we are afraid, we feel strange desires stirring inside us, we make trouble. We produce texts, think about what to write. We implement and follow diversity policies. What more can I say? We are moved by childlike innocence. I'm standing in front of the closed doors of the future. I am the outsider, forever forbidden. The future is spreading through my limbs. I overflow. I'm ashamed, I'm afraid, I tremble, I redden, I bleed. The more I'm afraid, the more I am hunted. I'd be crazy not to go crazy. Making small gestures, leaving traces. Thrown into language, the Algerian Jew discovers that writing takes physical effort. Could be Derrida, could be Cixous. Not interchangeable, but like-minded. Not substitutable, but compatible. Not alike, but attuned. The sunshine of Oran, the French context, the German family. Displaced, dispersed, exiled. So I think that's enough.